Gavin. Hey bud, what do we have here?
We have a bulldozer.
A bulldozer ball pit. What in the world?
And I love bulldozers.
Do you?
Yes, bulldozers are my best vehicle.
Your best vehicle. Hey, you want more balls?
Yes, more balls.
Okay. Show me how this thing works.
I did.
Sit down.
Sit down, remember?
There you go. Oh my goodness.
Oh, nope, right in the middle. Pull right in the middle. There you go.
Woohoo!
All right, let go of it. Oh boy, what a mess. Mommy's gonna love cleaning these balls up every day.
Yes, very good.
Every day.
Yes, very good.
That's a pretty cool bulldozer. Remember, you don't have to get all the balls in there, buddy. Just throw a couple balls in. Leave some balls in the ball pit. This is supposed to be a ball pit that you can sit in. You want, here, I should probably give you some more balls. Do it again. Oh, there you go. All right, that's all the balls you get. That's all the balls you get, kid. All right, have fun. Love you.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do.
Good.
Last time we ran that bulldozer.
You can't
Where
believe.
did you get this bulldozer from?
Got it from the store.
Got it from the store. Bought it from Walmart.
Yes.
Yeah,
Sounds very nice.
sounds very nice.
We are nice, aren't
Me and Mommy are pretty nice, aren't we? Are we?
Some of these balls are big.
I know. That's because some of these are the balls we use outside. I just gave you some more balls. All right. Have fun.